Welcome back, everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML CSS tutorial for beginners to advanced. And right now, we will be discussing about CSS box model. What is CSS box model? I want you to note this. Have this in mind every time you write anything in your HTML code. All HTML elements can be considered as a box. All HTML elements can be considered as boxes. Why can we consider all HTML elements as boxes? The reason why is because if we write H1 element, we will have to write something inside it. If we write H2 element, you will have to write something inside it. Even you are writing div element, you are giving it a color, is that you are trying to write something inside it. Any element you write, definitely you are trying to write something inside it, or you are trying to display something that is inside it. For instance, I want to think about HTML as if you are having a plate or a cup. You want to take a coffee, so you have to take the coffee from somewhere and pour it inside it, and put your whatsoever sugar, put your milk, put your whatsoever you like, put water before you can sip it. That's how I want you guys to be thinking about HTML elements from right now. So, and all this is made up of what? CSS box model. So we are going to be exploring this in deep details. So this is just as if you are going to a market, you need to hold the package where you are going to keep all your things. So we are going to be exploring it much better later. Anwar, akorede, ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace.